everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about laws of exponents. It is completely on the basis of NCERT. So there are 6 laws of exponents. So let's start with the first law. So the first law states that suppose there is an integer a and b and m and n. So in first law it is there if the bases are same and it is multiplied, suppose a by b to the power m into a by b to the power n, and if it is multiplied and the bases are same, so suppose a is 1, b is 1, a 1 by 1 is 1, 1 into to the power m and 1 to the power n. So we simply add these two powers, a by b to the power m plus n. So the resulting value will be the answer of this equation. So the next law is we just have to put division sign. So in division we just subtract the powers. We have to subtract the powers. So some basic questions related to this are, suppose there is an question 2 by 3 to the power 5 into 2 by 3 to the power 3. So in this first law is followed and we just have to add these two powers. So the answer will be 2 to the power 3 by 5 plus 3, which is equal to 2 by 3 to the power 8. Okay, so one question related to the second law. So the question is, suppose it's given 4 by 7 to the power 5 divided by 4 by 7 to the power 4. So we just have to subtract these two powers. We have to subtract 4 from 5. So this will be 4 by 7 to the power 5 minus 4, which is equal to 1. So let's proceed to the next law, which is the third law. So the third law states that if an integer a by b is in a bracket and it's a by b to the raised to the power m, and another bracket is there and this is raised to the power n, so we can write a by b to the power m into n, which is equal to mn. We will simply do this to open all these two brackets. So an example is, suppose it is given on 2 by 3 bracket to the power 5 to the power 7. So which we will just multiply 5 times 7 and we will get 35. So 2 by 3 to the power 35, we can put this in bracket. So this will be the value of this problem. So let's proceed to the next law. So the fourth law states that suppose it's written a by b into c by d, these are all integers, to the power m. So what will be the value? So according to fourth law, the value we can write this as a by b to the power m into c by d to the power m. We can write like this, and we can also do, suppose it's a by b to the power c by d the whole square, or we will write just m. So the value will be a by b to the whole the power m and c by d to the whole power m. So let's proceed to the next law. So the next law states that suppose it is, if the power is in minus, a by b to the power minus n, so to remove this minus sign, we will just do the reciprocal of this number. So b by a to the power n. Suppose I will give an example. So if it is written 2 by 3 to the power minus 2. So to evaluate this, we will just do 3 by 2 to the power 2 which is equal to 9 by 4. So this will be the answer of this equation. We will just do the reciprocal of this number. The reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. So let's proceed to the next law, which is the last law. So according to the sixth law, anything to the power 0 is 1. Anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 100 to the power 0 is equal to 1. So according to sixth law, anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. And according to fifth law, if the power is in negative, so we will just do the reciprocal of that number. Suppose 2 to the power minus 2, we just do 1 by 4 to the power, 1 by 2 to the power 2, which is equal to 1 by 4. And fourth and third law are related to brackets, and first and second law are related to multiplication and division. In multiplication we add the parts, and in division we subtract the parts. So thank you friends for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.